to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you to make some very simple DIY jumper cables with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is some wire, shrink tubes, and leads from an LED. You can also find these leads from a resistor or any other components that have similar leads. First, I'm going to cut off the leads of the LED. Next, take the wire and remove the insulation on both ends. Next, solder tin the leads in the wire. Next, I'm going to take the shrink tubes and place them over the wires. There we go, just like this. And there, it should look just like this. Next, solder the wire over to the lead. Do the same thing on the opposite end. And it should look just like this. Next, take the shrink tubes and cover the exposed solder points. And leave some of the leads sticking out. Cover it just like this. Doing this will make things look a lot nicer. Next, shrink the tubes. And there, she'll look just like this. And now it's time to test it out. Take the brand new jumper wire, and now complete the circuit. I have right here a simple LED resistor circuit connected to a 9-volt battery. Connect this jumper wire to ground, and then connect it to the cathode of the LED. And there, as you can see, it works. And as you can see, the wire can easily stick into the breadboard without damaging the wire or bending the wire. It goes in very easily. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own DIY jumper cable with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.